You nervous?
I am very, actually, yep, shaking and everything.
I love that you have the letter that she wrote in fifth grade.
It's always been on my wall.
That's awesome.
She's always been my favorite teacher.
It's always nerve-wracking.
I have to speak sometimes in public too.
Yeah. Ooh, now my heart is pounding. I'm gonna start crying.
Hi.
Hi there. Oh my gosh. How are you?
Good. How are you?
It has been so long.
I know.
Oh,
Hey.
wow. What's up, babe?
Hi, Mr. Bates.
What is going on, man?
I wrote a senior letter about you.
You did?
Yeah. They want me to read it out to you.
What is happening?
Hi, Miss Seelbach.
Hi. This is so sweet. What are you doing?
I have a letter to read you.
Dear Mr. Bates,
Dear Beth,
Dear Miss Raichle, I can't thank you enough for the gift of knowledge you passed down to me all those years ago.
on the first day of school, you told me you believed in me. Many teachers have said this before, but for some reason, when you told me, it stood out to me.
everyone is supposed to have one teacher that changes their life forever, and for me, that was my 5th grade teacher, Miss Seelbach. As I prepare to close this chapter of my life and look back on the 4 years I've been here, it's impossible to not see your influence.
You are the most kind and caring teacher that I know. You are my biggest supporter in band. You're in almost every game and field show that I did. You have made me my greater self. You have lifted me up when I didn't think I could do it.
She had a light that radiated positivity every single day. She taught me that kindness can outshine anything and everything. I learned how important it is to be kind because of her. I looked up to her so much that I bought the same shoes as her and wore them every single day, checkered Vans. You truly brought me out of my shell, and because of you, I've grown from someone who was a little unsure of themselves and very uncomfortable to being someone that's fully confident in who they are.
I don't know if you know it or if you ever will know it, but you make coming to school worth it. And you have this way of lifting everyone's spirits and making everyone smile on days that it doesn't seem like we can.
From time to time, I would struggle, but you were always there to help me along the way. You were one of the people that helped push me out of my shell during elementary school, and I truly appreciate you for that.
In a place that can be so loud and overwhelming, your room has always been like a place of support. A place where I feel loved, seen, heard, and truly understood.
I love you, and I thank you for always supporting me and my band and my color guard girls.
I wish every student had the opportunity to have her as a teacher. I am who I am today because of my kind, beautiful, encouraging, and selfless 5th grade teacher. And I always have the note you left me up in my room.
Oh my God. Look at you. You are not a 5th grader.
With all my best wishes, thank you for being an amazing teacher. Sincerely, your former student, Alanis Hernandez, Francisco.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, darling.
Oh, thank you, Maddie. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sweetheart, thank you so much. It means so much to me. I remember that like it was yesterday.
For you simply being the most amazing teacher that I could ever ask for, I love you, Beth. And with all of my love and gratitude in the world, Tatyanna Spencer.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Don't cry.
This is amazing. What in the world are you doing?
I don't know. And this is for you. Sorry.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Where are you going?
Ohio State for the same thing that you wrote, cardiology for pre-med. Same thing I've always wanted, so I'm going there next year.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
She's a Seahawk. Yes, it's amazing. I'm so proud.
You guys are lucky.
I always feel like the lucky one. I can't believe you.
Yeah.
This is too much. Can we just do this in private?
Yeah.